The function of a behavior is why the behavior is happening. We can learn appropriate ways to get our needs and wants met, or we can learn inappropriate ways to get our needs and wants met. And both neurodiverse and neurotypical people do those things, right? We appropriately communicate sometimes, and we inappropriately communicate sometimes. So when a behavior analyst is looking at function, or we're talking about the function of inappropriate behavior, what we're doing is determining why that behavior is happening, and also why is it continuing to happen. If the behavior is continuing to happen, that means it is meeting the needs of that individual or meeting their wants. And all inappropriate behaviors tied to some type of communication piece. So what are they telling us? Are they saying that they want something, or are they saying that they're trying to get away from something? So in the most basic terms, it would be trying to get access to something they want, like a treat or an activity, or maybe they want a specific person, or maybe they want attention from someone. Or it could also be, I don't want attention from you, or I don't want to do this activity, I want to do something different. Most of the time the behavior is related to trying to get access to something they're wanting and they don't know how to communicate that appropriately, or trying to get away from something and they don't know how to communicate that appropriately either. So the behavior analyst will use assessment methods to determine why that behavior is happening. And then once we know the why, then we have a way or a method of teaching the individual the appropriate way to get their wants and needs met, an appropriate way to communicate that so other individuals in the environment know what they're wanting. And over time, they learn that it's much easier to say, I want something, or gesture to show that I want something, versus having a tantrum, for example.